I focus my energy on what I am good at. I focus my energy on what I am good at. I focus my energy on what I am good at. I focus my energy on what I am good at. I focus my energy on what I am good at. I focus my energy on what I am good at. Hi and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Christina. I'm the owner of Be Simple. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. It's nice to see you again. So in today's video, you're probably wondering what's all this chaos that's going on in the background. That is because in today's video, we are going to be organizing my office space, prepared to launch my business and everything, which means I am getting materials, I'm getting ingredients, I'm getting loads of things. At the moment, I don't have organization in my office, so they're kind of scattered everywhere, and I just feel like for me to be able to focus and think creatively, I need a organized area. I am going to show you how the room actually looks, but what I've already done, I've got two different types of shelving. I've got like an industrial type of shelving where I'm gonna put all my supplies, my materials, my ingredients, my packaging and everything like that. And then I've got another shelving which I got from IKEA, and that's where I'm gonna be displaying my ready made products, so products that are ready to be shipped out and sent to you and everything like that. So I'm going to show you guys what the room looks like before we get started, and then it's going to be just like a little clip of me showing you guys how I'm going to organize this and everything. This video might be short, but I hope you enjoy it. If you do, make sure you like it, make sure you subscribe. But other than that, let's just get straight into it. Let me show you the room, how it looks like. Okay, so when you walk in, this is what the room is looking like. So welcome to my humble abode. It is a bit of a mess. This is why this is all going to be sorted. So basically, all this corner is all my jars, bottles, packaging, ingredients, shipping, packaging and everything like that. Scrunchies, like literally, it's all like scattered all over here, and this is why I need to organize it, because like there's some things that I need at the moment, but I can't get to it because I have to go through all of this mess, and I can't be asked to do that. So that's why I thought it's time to organize this room and everything. Over there I've got my printer, and then this is where I work, my desk area and everything. I've got this other area here, that's my sewing machine, which I use for my scrunchies. I've got this pegboard because we went to IKEA, and basically I'm planning to put that pegboard there, and that's where I'm basically gonna hang some of my shipping supplies and everything, because I thought it would just be easier when it comes to shipping. I am also planning to get another desk, because I want to have two. I want to have one where I do my like admin stuff, and then I want to have one where I do, it's like my shipping station and everything. I don't know where I'm gonna put it. That's gonna be later on problem. At the moment, this is where we're focusing it on. These are my two shelving. So I've got the industrial shelving that I'm thinking I'm gonna put it here. I say that now I'm thinking I might put it on that side, just because I was thinking because of the sun and everything, but the way the sun comes, the sun never actually gets to that corner, so I might just actually keep it there. So I might put my industrial shelf in here, and then this one, which is an IKEA shelf in, I'm gonna put it in that corner, and then put my printer on top of it, and just get a bit of organization in this room. You know, I got a bin. I've been wanting a bin for a while because I'm using this at the moment, and yeah, I've got some extra bits and everything in there. This is a broken picture. I got this, I made this picture for my boyfriend's birthday. If you know the reference, let me know in the comments. But yeah, so yeah, I made this picture for my boyfriend's birthday. We hanged it up, literally a couple of minutes later it fell. So now it's here. Well, we are planning to get a new frame, but the thing is, I'm thinking of keeping the glass part, well, it's not glass, it's actually plastic, for when I come to do product photos and everything. So that's why that's still there. But basically, I need to just sort this room out. So I'm going to show you guys how I sort this out. First of all, first thing is first, I think I need to make space here first, and then get building on these, because I don't know how long these are actually going to take me to build. So, and I'll be building it by myself. So yeah, let's just get started. So it's the next day and this is how the room is looking. Look how organized it looks. Like, we've still got a little bit stuff here, but that's Lewis's stuff and everything like that. So, plus shredding bags and everything. But, yeah, the actual room. So I'm just going to quickly just give you a little bit of a tour. So I've got my printer and my diamond printer on top. I've got Gengar there. But this is where I'm going to be displaying my finished products. At the moment, I've just got random stuff on it. And then my desk, I've got my monitor stand thing. And then I've got my pegboard. At the moment, because I don't have a frame, I just put that picture there. Once I've got a frame, it's not going to be there. But that's where I'm going to have all my stationery items and everything. And then this section with this shelving, this is all my supplies that I have at the moment. So I've got put shipping boxes and materials for like taking pictures, product pictures and everything at the bottom. Then I've got my jars and my bottles, and then I've got all my ingredients plus my utensils and my sewing machine right there. And then these are like little extra bits. So I've got like different I've got this packaging, which I'm going to be doing a separate video about from No Issues. So if you want to see that, make sure you subscribe. I've got these are going to be my sample bags, which I ordered ages ago. So these are my sample craft bags and everything. So I've got these here. So yeah, just different random stuff. And then I got my craft bubble wrap. Those bags, I've got my scrunchies and then my camera bag over there. And then here I've just got other ingredients, but these are ingredients that I don't need it at the moment. The ingredients for my serum and my conditioner are here. These are just extra ingredients that I'm not using at the moment, and then some extra little bits and everything like that. And then in this bag I've got just items for like giveaways and stuff like that, and yeah, just little things like that. But that is pretty much the room. I am so excited. I feel like now I can definitely be more organized. I know where things are and I can just come here and do my business. Like I said previously, it's the next day. I wanted to do the reveal on the same day, but by the time I finished setting everything up, it was too dark to film, so I just thought I should do the reveal the next day. But yeah, so I'm very excited about the space I've created, and I'm just ready for my creative juices to start flowing and everything like that. But yeah, that's pretty much for this video. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you are notified every single time I post, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye.